Guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm here with Extreme Driving Simulator, and so guys, this is a video that I made after making a video with Kia, and so yeah, but hope you guys but actually guys, before you watch this video, go go to my channel and watch the video that me and Kia posted first, because then I'll give you 3 Robux. But anyways, guys, so today I'll be like driving around, doing all of that stuff. And so yeah. Boop, 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 boop. I was just getting my turbo. So guys, let me put up put up the volume. That probably burst some of your guys' ears, but yeah, I do not care. Joking. But if I did burst your guys' ears, before you even continue watching this video, go to the hospital, go to a doctor, because I have to make sure my fans are healthy. And so yeah. Ooh, that was so cool. No. I wanted to change my jacket. Come on, dog. Come on. And guys, I need to tell you something pretty important. You know when I said I was going to make a video with my friends 2v2 or 1v3, something happened. So guys, that's my grandfather yet to come, and so yeah. And guys, sorry in the background there are people talking. Well, we're somewhere. And so we boom. And so guys, you might know this is the Ford GT, not like the other one, but this is the Ford GT, one of the fastest cars in the world. And so I'm gonna see how fast it goes. And so yeah. Okay, wait. Ready, set, go. Move. Guys, I wanna see what its full speed is. And so slowing down. And so guys, that goes to 349, I think, or 59. So guys is not concentrating, and so yeah. The lip. At a lip. Oh yeah, 49. It goes to 49, guys, and so yeah. 49, there's going to be something here. Do I make it? I made it, guys! See, that's how fast this car is. Probably faster than your mom's lip. Unless if you have a Bugatti. Unless your mother drives a Bugatti. And so, yeah. And at the time, dog, this guy. Anyways, customization, none of my man. Guys, this is why I'm the richest person in the world, richer than Michael Jackson, richer than your mama. I'm probably even richer than myself in real life. But I don't know, because I do have 300 billion in real life. So I have 300 billion. 300 billion. But since I'm still not 18, my parents no. What do they? I think my parents' lawyer kept the money in his vault because he was the one who gave me the money. And guys, it's not like I'm not going to say because to maybe like copyright reasons, because I can't like just say a YouTuber's name and then after not put their name in the description. But anyway, it's a story channel, let me just give you that. And so if you guys watch story channels of how I became a billionaire, my toxic parents tried to take all my money. My parents are not toxic. They don't want to take my money. They just want me to have a good education. Guys, I do not hear my friends just type. I love singing songs. Nice songs. Guys, I'm gonna put up the volume 1. Once again, guys, sorry, I'm used to playing GTA. I'm gonna put up the volume once again. But yeah, guys, anyways, I'm back at the airport, and so I have the like new version, and so I need to just stop around, isn't it? 1, 2. So guys, I'm used to playing GTA. And guys, let me just say, I passed my cousin. And like playing of like how long he took to get where I am at in GTA. It took him like a few days. But actually, like, yeah, a few days, maybe like 5 or something. Because he had 3 days. I mean 2 days because he was sleeping at my grandfather's. Or maybe because of the power. The power did go sometimes. But In just 2 days, I got to where he is at. Imagine. Imagine. But guys, thank you for watching the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys will stay safe, and I hope you guys will be cool. And guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe. It's free. It's not even for 1 cent or $1. It's free. And so yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, and peace.